Yo, it's Crusoe. How you doing, everyone? I'm just mixing up my grout. I'm about to give this bathroom, the walls, heaps. This is like a rough, porous tile. Oh, well, I don't know if it's porous, but it's rough and not shiny, so I need to have my grout quite runny. On these bathrooms. So like when you've got real shiny tiles, you have your grout just a little bit stiffer. These tiles are a matte, so I have it a bit runnier. I always mix my grout as I need it. I don't mix a whole bucket full with a mixing pedal. No. You never go through that much. This colour is called Misty Grey. I use it probably 80% of my jobs on the floor, not always the walls, but on floors. Ultra white I use on the walls. So I'm mainly buying the same grout all the time, but I don't buy it in large quantities because it's kicking around in my van and it gets damp or it gets wet, and no, I buy it in 5 kilo quantities. This is going to be a bit of a pain to grout because I've got to go every line. I can't push it over. Because it's a rough texture. But that's all right. This is when you turn up your radio and you give it heaps. It's a little bit stiff, my grout. My next, it's not going to go that far either. My next lot I'll mix up a little bit runnier. It's not bad, but little bits I've missed there, which I just picked up. When you're grouting, you mostly start at the top. I sort of started halfway and then worked my way up. You should sort of start at the top, but you can actually sort of go wherever you bloody want. But it's better to start at the top, and as well when you're wiping, well, mainly when you're wiping off, because if you have any runs in your water, it's running down your wall where you haven't wiped off. If that makes sense. Okay. You're probably saying, okay, dude, that's enough of the humming and whistling. Bit of plastic. Get out of there. Right, I'm just going to add a little bit of water with my grout and carry on down. I'll do this wall and then wipe it off, I think, because it's warming up today. Summer is here, but I'll see how I go. It might be too soon, so then I'll do another wall while it's drying. Okay, dudes, catch you soon when I'm wiping off. We'll see ya.